So guys, we have reached our destination and we have started our vlog also. As you can see, we have reached our destination. This is the sports complex of Bokaro Steel City, Jharkhand. See W Bhaiya and there is W Bhaiya and I. वेट फॉर द लोग बोलते हैं कि बस नॉर्मल पीपल में ही 0 से 6 इंच से, पर यहाँ पे देखिए गवर्नमेंट का पेड़ काट दिया गया है गाइस, इतना बढ़िया पेड़, और वहाँ पे भी एक पेड़ काट दिया गया है गाइस 0 से 6 इंच मीन्स 0 नॉट 0.
So guys, we have came to an unknown location. You can see the way we are exploring today. We are doing some kind of off-roading, you can tell. So wait for the next part. There is bird fight going.
So guys, we have came out of that sports complex because it was a very boring place, and now we are heading to a haunted place, which my brother has said that it is haunted and no one lives there. What is the name of that place?
The name of that place is Russian Colony, and we will went there.
Oh, so Russian colony we are going, and it is abandoned because people say there were ghosts in Bokaro, Jharkhand. So wait for the next. Guys, we have came here on Ambedkar Chowk. Which chalk is this? W, which chalk is this? Oh yes, I was correct. And now we are again heading to Russian colony or felony, I don't know. We are heading. See, here is officer colony, and this is the same slum and anonymous place where we have came and in our second vlog, as you can see. We have reached Russian colony. As you can see, this is a haunted place because there is no one living, either surviving. See, at the guard place there is no one. There is cars, but they are abandoned and they do not work. As you can see, this all homes are lighted up, but this has lights, but yes, has lights, but do not like there has no one who live here. As you can see, the dog has started barking on us. As you can see how much dirty this place is. There some of the people live, but here side no one lives, as you can see. And there is assembly point of the Russian colony. As you can
called the Russian colony. When Bokaro Steel plant was being set up, the Russian were used to live here only. Now you can see this place. They're looking something very horror. I think there that people will live some kind of. Here you can see that AC has been there, but still nobody lives there. The house is abandoned. It looks like someone is seeing from inside. We are feeling like we are experiencing something horror, paranormal activities here. So guys, there a new park has been made, which is called Waste Park. It's waste, completely made from the waste.
This is just made.
You can see the beautiful flower bloomed. Okay, wait for the next part. So guys, we have extended our limits. We have completed one round, and the same way I will be posting on the my video the screenshot of the location. We have completed extending our walk limit. So wait for the next part.
And here we have came to Bokaro.
But there is danger.
So guys, today we have pushed our limits, and we have walked more than 6 kilometers. We have gone sports complex and then the Russian colony, which was a haunted colony. If any one of you guys want to join us for walking, you can tag him on Instagram. The link of his Instagram is in bio. You should be in Bokaro and near sector 9 or 8. That's all. Like, share, subscribe.